before we find the derivative, we need to simplify this. We know we can write this as this is the derivative of 2x raised to power 3 plus 3x squared plus 12x over. This could be written as x raised to power 2 over 5. So we need to do some algebra. So when a denominator, they have common denominator, we can assign each of them to that denominator, which is 2x raised to power 3 over 4x raised to power 2 over 5 plus 3x squared over 4x 2 over 5 plus 12x over 4x raised to power 2 over 5. So which is the derivative of 2. So we are left with half x from laws of indices. So we'll subtract the power. 3 minus 2 over 5. So that's the first one. Plus 3 over 4 x raised to power 2 minus 2 over 5 plus 3 x 1 minus 2 over 5. So that's it, which is now the derivative of 3 minus that is 15 minus 2 is that. So we have half x 13 over 5 plus 3 over 4 x 2 minus that is 8 over 5 plus 3 x that's 5 minus 2 is 3 over 5. So with that we can now get the derivative. The derivative is now half times, that's half times 13 over 5 x raised to power 13 over 5 minus 1 plus 3 over 4 times 8 over 5 x raised to power 8 over 5 minus 1, and finally plus we have 3 times 3 over 5 x raised to power 3 over 5 minus 1. So what we have here is 13 over 10 x raised to power 13 over 5 minus 1. 13 over 5 minus 1 is 8 over 5 plus this is 2, so 6 over 5 x raised to power 8 over 5 minus 1 is 8 minus that's 3 over 5 plus 9 over 5 x raised to power 3 minus 5 is minus 2 over 5. So that's the answer. So the next question, we have to evaluate this. So without wasting time, looking at this, you notice that this is difference of 2 squared. Look up, I can bring out this minus, and what we have here is now x plus 4 times x minus 4. So we can bring the minus d over dx. This is difference of 2 squared, x squared minus 4 squared, that's 16. You get the logic. This is difference of 2 squared. So I brought out the minus sign. So what was the derivative of x squared is 2x. Derivative of a constant is 0, so the answer is minus 2x. So the same way we're asked to find the derivative of this. We asked to find the derivative of this without wasting time. This is also the I'll bring out the minus sign and minus 7. If you notice, what is common is minus 7, and this is now x plus 1. This x plus 1. Yes, they're the same. So this means derivative of minus 7. The answer is 0. So you don't need to waste your time.